Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now, tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your user icon. Once you do that, on the top right corner of your screen, you're gonna find Edit icon. Tap on it, then scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, you'll see your basic information where first option there will be name. Tap on it, go ahead and edit the name as you like. Then tap on Done from the top right corner of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your name on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.